Go, England! Princess Charlotte and Prince Louis supported their home country's men's soccer team as they watched the UEFA European Championship final on Sunday at home in epic attire. Prince William and Kate Middleton shared a photo taken from behind to their Instagram page Monday of their daughter and youngest son wearing matching personalized jerseys. Charlotte and Louis's shirts had their first names on them and their numbers corresponded to their respective ages, 9 and 6. In the caption, William and Kate, both 42, applauded the team following their 2-1 loss to Spain. At England, your teamwork, grit and determination were an inspiration to all of us, young and old. Congratulations to Spain. WC, they wrote. While Charlotte and Louis watched the game at home, William brought his oldest child, 10-year-old Prince George, to the Olympiastadion in Berlin, Germany, to cheer on England in person. Before the match, William wrote on X, formerly Twitter, "We are so proud of you all at England, just one last push to finish the job. Go out there and show the world what you're made of." We believe. He also shared a behind-the-scenes video of him and George entering the stadium. The Prince of Wales, who is the president of the Football Association, matched with his oldest son in a suit and tie at the game. Afterwards, William went on stage to congratulate Spain's team and shake hands with the members of England's team. This time it just wasn't meant to be. We're all still so proud of you. Onwards at England. The dad of 3 tweeted after the game, "Earlier that day, Kate brought Charlotte to the Wimbledon Tennis Championship in London. The Princess of Wales, who was diagnosed with cancer earlier this year, received a standing ovation from the crowd at the All England Lawn Tennis and Croquet Club. She had on a regal purple dress and was joined by Charlotte and her sister Pippa Middleton. Kate presented the trophy to Carlos Alcaraz, who was the winner of the match against Novak Djokovic. Since learning of her cancer diagnosis, Kate has mostly been out of the spotlight as she continues cancer treatment. She previously made headlines by appearing at last month's Trooping the Colour, the traditional celebration of King Charles III's birthday. William, meanwhile, has been busy in his role as a royal and a father. Last month, he took George and Charlotte to Taylor Swift's Eras Tour concert in London. The prince was seen enthusiastically dancing to "Shake It Off" during the concert.